Welcome to another video of detailed math solutions. In this video I'm going to write and explain step by step how to add the squares of the binomials 9c squared y squared plus c squared z squared and 7c squared z squared plus 14. To solve this exercise, I'm going to use the formula for binomial square and the rules of exponents for power of a product with two factors, power of a product with three factors, product of two powers, and power of a power. First, I will apply the formula for binomial square for the first binomial. This way I get 9c squared y squared in parentheses squared plus 2 times 9c squared y squared multiplied by c squared z squared plus c squared z squared to the power of 2. Next, I'm going to apply the formula for binomial square to expand the second binomial. This way I get 7c squared z squared in parentheses to the power of 2 plus 2 times 7c squared z squared multiplied by 14 plus 14 squared. Next, I will use the rules of exponents to simplify this expression. This way I get 9 squared c squared to the power of 2 y squared to the power of 2 plus 2 times 9, 18, c squared multiplied by c squared is c to the power of 4 y squared z squared plus c squared to the power of 2 z squared to the power of 2 plus 7 squared c squared to the power of 2 z squared to the power of 2 plus I have 2 times 7 times 14, it equals 196 c squared z squared plus 196. If I simplify further, this equals to 81 c to the 4th power y to the 4th power plus, just gonna rewrite the next term, 18 c to the 4th power y squared z squared plus c to the 4th power z to the 4th power plus 49 c to the 4th power z to the 4th power plus, just need to rewrite the remaining two terms, 196 c squared z squared plus 196. As a last step, I need to add all like terms. Like or similar terms are the terms that have the same literal parts. In this expression, the middle two terms are the only ones that are like terms. Therefore, I need to rewrite the rest of the terms and just add the middle two. So I'm just going to do that. Plus 50 c to the 4th power z to the 4th power plus 196 c squared z squared plus 196. This polynomial can't be simplified further and is the final answer for this exercise. I'm thrilled that you joined me and look forward to sharing my other videos. Please click on the videos displayed on the screen or subscribe to my channel to see more detailed math solutions. Thank you for watching and learning.